The British audio company Ruark Audio has just presented its first connected wireless speaker called MRX. Compatible with the company's all-in-one R2 Mk3 music system and its R7 Mk3 radiogram, the MRX presents the modern design of the Ruark brand and also marks the start of the company's new Link application, which was touched upon by the summer past. The MRX comes with capabilities and specifications seen in other Ruark products, and is based on them. It has a stereo pair of 75mm full-range neodymium drivers that have been recently redesigned and powered by a high-fidelity dual-channel amplifier. On the back there is a four-way selector switch that allows you to use the MRX as a device alone or as part of a stereo pair. In terms of connectivity, it has a Bluetooth receiver integrated with aptX, and through an internet connection, it is compatible with Spotify Connect, Deezer and Tidal, with Amazon Music coming soon. If you want to connect it directly, an optical and analog 3.5mm combined input allows you to connect anything from a turntable to a Google Chromecast. A multi-purpose USB socket can be used with a memory device or charge your phone, and there is an Ethernet socket connect to a network if the speaker is somewhere where the signal is weak.